Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Guru for You. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. This is a topic that's not only intriguing but also incredibly relevant in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world. Buckle up because it's going to be an intriguing ride. So, let's start with, what is AI? You might have heard the term thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn. Sounds cool, right? But it's more than just a cool concept, it's a groundbreaking technology that's changing the way we live and work. Well, it's more than just cool, it's revolutionary. Let's talk about applications. AI is not confined to one sector, it's making waves across various industries. AI is everywhere, from your smartphones to self-driving cars. It's integrated into the devices we use daily, making our lives more convenient and efficient. It's in medical diagnostics, helping doctors detect diseases earlier and with more accuracy. Imagine the potential for saving lives with early detection and precise treatment plans. It's in finance, analyzing market trends to predict stock movements. This can help investors make more informed decisions and potentially increase their returns. Even in your favorite streaming service, AI is recommending the next show you'll binge watch. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste better than you do. Now, what are the benefits? First up, efficiency. AI can streamline processes and handle tasks that would take humans much longer to complete. AI can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, making it invaluable in industries like healthcare and finance. Then, there's accuracy. AI's ability to analyze data and make decisions based on patterns can significantly reduce errors. AI algorithms can reduce human error, which is crucial in fields like medicine and transportation. Imagine the safety improvements in self-driving cars or the precision in surgical procedures, and let's not forget personalization. AI can tailor experiences to individual preferences, making interactions more meaningful and enjoyable. From tailored ads to custom playlists, AI makes your experiences unique and relevant. It's like having a concierge service that's always on point. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are drawbacks too. While AI offers numerous benefits, it also presents significant challenges that we need to address. One major concern is job displacement. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, many fear losing their jobs to machines. This is a valid concern that requires thoughtful solutions. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, many fear losing their jobs to machines. This is a valid concern that requires thoughtful solutions. We need to consider how to retrain and upskill workers to adapt to this new landscape. There's also the issue of privacy. With AI systems collecting and analyzing personal data, there are significant risks if this data falls into the wrong hands. Protecting user data is more critical than ever. With AI systems collecting and analyzing personal data, there are significant risks if this data falls into the wrong hands. Cybersecurity measures must evolve to keep pace with these advancements. And of course, there's the ethical dilemma. How do we ensure AI makes fair and unbiased decisions? This is a complex issue that involves not just technology but also societal values and norms. How do we ensure AI makes fair and unbiased decisions? To wrap it up, AI is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to revolutionize our world and make our lives easier, but it also brings challenges that we need to address responsibly. AI is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to revolutionize our world and make our lives easier, but it also brings challenges that we need to address responsibly. It has the potential to revolutionize our world and make our lives easier, but it also brings challenges that we need to address responsibly. The future of AI is bright, but it's up to us to navigate it wisely. But it also brings challenges that we need to address responsibly. The future of AI is bright, but it's up to us to navigate it wisely. We must balance innovation with caution to ensure a positive impact on society. Thanks for watching Career Guru for You. We hope you found this exploration of AI both informative and thought-provoking. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.